So you just ordered a new car part. You sit in front of your computer screen and you camp day by day and you look at your shipping status, you refresh, and you refresh, and nothing is updated yet. But at the end, it is worth it. Welcome guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Will Deezy, welcome. One of my mods just kind of came in literally just right now in the mail. That's why I'm filming this right now. But nothing, it won't change a drastic kind of look, but it'll make the car a little more cleaner. So do you guys know what it is? Well, actually you guys don't need to comment because it's already on the title already. But license plate relocator. So as you know, on my car, my current license plate that I have right now, it's kind of just it's right in the bottom of the emblem, bottom of the grill. So it doesn't really look clean, but if I put it on the side, more of a JDM kind of look, you know, the whole grill kind of looks a little more clean, a little more flush, just looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, you know. So today, let's jump right into this. We're gonna do a tow hook IS350 F Sport 2 2018. We're gonna do a tow hook and license plate relocator. So without further ado, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Thank you for clicking on this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Join the DZ fam. I read all the comments, so definitely comment down below. Support your boy, you know. And stickers are almost sold out, so go get yours below. Link me, DM me, no access code required. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're sorry if it's a little bit windy there, but these are the contents inside the bag. So essentially you have the license plate here, screw here, a bunch of screws for your plates later, and you would need a flathead to pop open this guy out, and you need a screwdriver just to screw the bolts in later in here. So it should be a pretty easy process. I don't think it'll take that long to finish, but I didn't really see too much of a tutorial, so I thought I'd just show you guys how to do it. Should take no longer than 15 minutes really, but let's get started. So usually you would take a flathead like this. You cover it so you don't scratch your paint off, right? So this is the cover. So you enter from this side where this grill is. Okay, this is not getting through, so you probably need a thinner cloth, but kind of put in right there, kind of catch it with your hand, and this whole thing kind of just pops off like that. Obviously be careful with your flathead, but pop off just like that. So now this guy's off. So now we got this piece off. Now I'm gonna put this to the side. So first things first, if you want to put this, so this literally just goes right in the hole here, like just right here. Obviously this doesn't go in here. You're gonna put this side in first. So if you guys want a better look, there's a hole that goes right in there, and that's where it goes. So you put this guy literally in this hole, and you kind of just twist it. Just like that. So now this part's in now. So now we don't need the flathead anymore, so we can put that aside. Now here comes the plate. So the plate wise, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so many adjustments depending where you want to put it, right? So you wouldn't want to put it here so you would put it how I would adjust it, I would adjust it right, maybe right in a center like this. So you put this little screw in the middle here. Depending where you want to place them, you will put it here. And then once you put this in, we'll take this, start screwing it up, and we're ready tighty, lefty loosey. So before it locks into place, this is still movable, but obviously I want it most to the right hand side, like away from here. I want it like this way. So you would move it here. Up. Oh. So now you can step back and kind of see if this looks okay or if this doesn't look okay. And now that's how it'll kind of look like. And then next step, obviously take off your license plate, clearly. Like this is the part I was talking about. It looks really ugly. And it's kind of just like blocking like the whole kind of masterpiece. So I want to take this off. Okay, so now this is all off here. So this doesn't look too bad. Now you can actually see kind of like the whole grill, which looks nice. And one thing to note, guys, for this thing, sure, this is like fastened, but the rod part behind, you need to make sure to like wrench it in so it's like fully like, so this won't kind of like fall. Do you know what I mean? Because you need to just like make sure it's in place, because hand screwing, obviously you don't have enough power, so you need to like, the rod behind this plate, you need to fucking wrench it. So I need to get that wrench real quick. Alright, so we got this bad boy now. Just a tip, guys, make sure for the rod, do it before you put the plate on. I got too excited to put the plate on, but to do it right, make sure that when you put the rod on, use the wrench first and then put this plate on. So yeah, you can either do it on the plate or do it without it, but I found it doing without this probably would be a little bit easier. This won't scratch the paint because there's still a gap, so you're good. So don't flame me on this, guys, but It's just a little bit harder, you know, you just can't really see it, but you can still see it through here, so I'd say give it a good like twist until you can't twist anymore and you're good to go. So twist it until you can't twist it anymore. And you're good. So now this, I'm kind of just gonna re-fasten it again. Make sure it's tight. There you go. That's good. So now that's on. Now the easy part is you just put this on and you're good to go. That's it. Put this on here. And as well, in your little kit, in the little baggy kit, it comes with a screw and a nut. So this kind of just screws in behind, because you're obviously not screwing into anything, so you would have to do that. So this side is screwed, and I'm just going to do the other side here. And voila, that's it. Like with this, definitely gives a more of a cleaner look. Now like the whole grill is kind of like exposed, which feels pretty, just looks more clean. So if it's, well, actually, it's not wiggly. It's not wiggly, it's actually pretty like, literally, it's not moving, which is good. So that's how it's supposed to be, kind of thing. So yeah, now the grill is like fully exposed. It looks good, it looks more clean. There's none of this kind of plasticky thing going on. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. And yeah, no, that's pretty much how you do it. I just kind of did it the harder way, but obviously put the rod in, tighten it up with this guy first, and then take your plates off, put it onto the black plate, and then put them together. That's pretty much it. That's the easiest way, but I just did the extra step, harder way, but both works. Result, we're good. So yeah, other than that, let me know what you guys think of this license plate delay iGDM toy. I'm gonna put the link down below, and yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick DIY tutorial license plate relocating. It's been your boy DZ. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, fam.